Hello. It's your girl. I'm back again with another shop with me video. If you're interested, keep watching, don't go away. And if you don't understand me, please, for those of you that don't, consider reducing your volume. Okay, so you enjoy what I have for you today? Yeah, I'm looking at this turtleneck. I love the color. With these, you're good to go this season. Have this on, throw on very good coats. And you are covered for just $8.99 by this brand. Okay, it's not a popular, yeah, but this is good. I love this. This is in size extra small actually. And look at this pant. I'm loving the color. Look at the good button closure. Yeah, with that functional side pockets. Yeah, these are deep front pockets actually. And look, by that brand. And this one is $12.99. Wait a minute, this is so good to be true. This was 48 in size PL, petite. Okay, here we have something similar by the same brand. Look what we got here. The color is so good. This will be perfect for office use. This was 48. Let's see if it's the same price as the other one. $12.99 actually. And I'm sure this will be similar. $12.99 as well. I love their I love these colors. They are quite, classic. Alright? Yeah, $12.99 as well. Interesting. And here, look what we got. This interesting first four. Look, this is everything. Isn't this given? This is given. Look. The quality feels so good. This is nicely lined inside. And yeah, this was $58. And today you get this for $29.99. It's available in size medium and extra small hair. Behind is something similar. This one is by CK. Okay, let's pick the price and say. I love the first one. Yeah, this feels good. The CK feels good. This was $99.50. And this one is $29.99. Actually, we'll go from this. This is nicely lined. I prefer this one, the color and everything. Very good. The CK is available in size small, medium, and large. Okay. Okay, here I'm looking at this. If you are looking to grab that deal now, come to Burlington. Trust me, you will get something interesting. Look at that. See what we got here. Okay. Interesting. Black and white piece by CK. It's available in different sizes. Alright. Let's pick the price. Store price for this. This was $79.50. Today you get for $24.99. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Look what we got here. Interesting. Ladies long sleeves. Look at that. This is open throw on. This one is by this brand in size large. Store price, please. Store price, please. Store price for this. I'll take you to handbag section. If you're interested, keep watching, okay? This is new in the store. I've seen it extra. It's available in different sizes. Okay? Yeah, this is interesting black long sleeve top. And this one is $12.99. All right, let's go to handbag section and see what they have there. Come with me. Okay, here you go. Handbag section. See what I'm seeing up here. I love the color. The structure is good. The size is good as well for $206.99. Who made this? Let me see if I can bring this down. Let's carefully. This is Nye West. This is Nye West. I told you they make very good handbags. $26.99. And up here, look at this with 4 foot. Yeah, look at that with 4 protective footbed. Look, I love this. The structure is good. The color is good as well. Yeah, please give me store price for this. This is just $19.99. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, let me see if I can grab the brand. I want to be careful. I don't want this to go down. Okay, look at this by this brand. Interesting if you ask me. Okay, up here, more bags, backpacks. All right, let's do the ones down here. Look at this bag. This is $17.99. They have affordable bags this period. Look. All right, $17.99. I'm on a hunt for a very good crossbody, simple, casual bag. Okay, look at this. I love the handle. And this is $19.99. And here we have this one by Steve Madden. It's on sale. This was $108. Today you get for $29.99. If you are enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up. Okay? Share. That's all you can do for me, for bringing you to the store, showing you all the interesting deals in the store. Please, thank you so much. All right, this is by Nye West. Okay, store price is not on this one, but trust me, this wouldn't be anything up to, it may be 20 something bucks. Yeah. And then here is Steve Madden. This was $108. Today you get your $39.99. Oh, more bags. See what I'm saying here? They are choking us with interesting bags. This is $29.99 by Nye West as well. Yeah, they are representing today Nye West. Here we have the shoulder bag, crossbody bag by BB. Okay. Yeah, okay. It feels good. Store price is not on that one. Here is another bag. I love the size. This I can do. This size, $22.99. Interesting. Look at this one with V logo at the front. Store price, please. Let's grab it. Where is it? Store price is not on this one. Look. Oh. Okay. Look. Same brand. Store price for this is $19.99. Look at this structured one by BCBG. BCB Generation. Look at that. Isn't this giving? This is giving everything. Okay, this is $27.99. Up here, I'm seeing this one in a box. Let's see. Okay, this is a gift. It's a gift. There, I can see beanie and a crossbody bag in there. Okay, here. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, look what I got. Look. This is by Anna Clean. Oh my God. I love this. And this is, look, it's 2-in-1. You have this as well, the shoulder bag, and this big tote bag. Oh my God, for just $34.99. What? The color is giving everything it should give. I'll come back to this. I may likely go for this. I love the color. It's nicely done. The price is affordable as well. With the shoulder bag attached to it. God, it says a big deal. Good one, okay? If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, this was 98. It's a good deal. All right, bye for now.